Cyrusher XF690 electric mountain bike 1000W Folding Ebike 27 speeds fat tire foldable electric bicycle for adults full suspension with Mudguard and Rack, yellow. High-quality frame. The 18-inch frame is made from aluminum which makes it light and durable, fitted with the oil spring shockproof front fork with lockout and 26 4.0-inch wheel. Powerful braking system. This bike comes with a Shimano 27-speed system and front and rear disc brakes that can help you tackle the different terrains, which also offers the braking power you need whenever the need arises, even in heavy traffic or emergency scenario. Hidden and removable battery. It is fitted with a 1000 watts powerful motor which is powered by a hidden battery 48V 12.8 Ah, which can last longer and charge faster with a 1500 recharge circle. Security and working modes. The availability of the LED light is bright enough makes it a convenient bike so that you can be visible at night. With LED display, you can control your speed and monitor your mileage. You can enjoy a long time trip with any mode of twist throttle, power assisted, and pedal only, according to your needs. Combining 3 modes would be a better choice. Brand advantages. Cyrusher is a professional mountain bike, e-bike and road bike manufacturer. We are committed to using technological innovations to produce superior products for our customers. Selling by factory directly, you can get the best products at the best price and the best quality. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.